Hello, my name is Ryan Kessel, your Tampa Bay new construction specialist, and I'm out in a brand new neighborhood, Pasadena Woods, in the Casa Fresca section. We're going to be touring the Coquina floor plan. This is a 6-bedroom, 4-bath, 3-car garage, 3,364 square feet. Let's go check it out. Now, you could build the Coquina and have this elevation, which gives you the front porch. As we enter, this is a large home, so there's going to be a lot to go over here. So you got this nice entry. This is going to lead into, and we're going to start in the main living area. So when you come in, this is the definition of an open concept. So we have all this living space here, and then this will open and connect to your kitchen. We have a nice center island, quartz countertops. Love the cabinetry. This is going to flow over to your dining space. So if you're hosting a dinner party, special event. And what I like about this kitchen is you have a cooktop over here, then you got your microwave and oven built in over on this side. And when you come around, you have an extra space here. You could set this up as a little wine coffee bar, and check out the size of your walk-in pantry. And we're going to go to the back of the home now, to the owner suite. So the back left corner on this floor plan will be your owner suite, and check out the size of this owner suite. Love the windows over here, bringing in all the natural light. This is a king-size bed. You got some big furniture. Wait until you see this ensuite bathroom. You're gonna have a tub and a glass enclosed shower. You have a seat over there. Huge quartz vanity, dual sinks over here. Wait until you see this closet. It's like a whole nother room. And this has got plenty of space for your stuff and her stuff. Let's go check out the rest of the house. And so off your living room, you have a huge extended covered patio, space over here for a table, and you got all this space over here for an outdoor seating area. We're gonna head back inside and check out the rest of the house. So we're heading towards the front. So over here you have a full laundry room. This is actually big enough. You got a laundry sink, washer, dryer. You got a rack up here. You could add some cabinets in the future. Before we go upstairs, what I like is you got a full bathroom and a bedroom. So here you got a nice quartz countertop, vanity, walk-in shower, and then right around the corner, this would make for a perfect guest suite or even a mother-in-law suite. All right, and one last thing to show you before we head upstairs, the Harry Potter room. And this actually goes around the corner here, so understairs storage. And now let's head upstairs. All right, so we're heading to the bar, and check out this huge game room, open space. You could turn this into whatever you want. As you can see here, they actually did turn it into a bar. I absolutely love this. I wish this was in my house. Look how big this whole upstairs is. I mean, there's so much you could do with this. All right, so we're gonna check out this part of it over here. So this first room, they have this set up as like a home office. This is another bedroom. So again, upstairs, we have 4 bedrooms to look at. This would be bedroom number 3. And as we're walking to this next bedroom, there's another full bath here, quartz countertop here, and tub shower combo. As we turn the corner, I'm gonna call this the fitness room. This would be bedroom number 4. And as you can see, they got some weights and a treadmill. And we're gonna check out the other wing of the house upstairs. We got 2 more bedrooms over here. Now what's nice is this is gonna be a Jack and Jill. So these 2 bedrooms will actually connect with another bathroom over here. So again, quartz countertops, we got dual sinks, another tub shower combo for these rooms to share. And we're just gonna turn this corner and come in the opposite way of this bedroom. And I love what they did with the decor in here. This will bring you back out to the main hallway. I really wish I had this in my house. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, what you think about this Coquina floor plan here at Pasadena Woods. And if you're interested in this model or any home, I could help you with any builder, new home community, or resale home. Give me a call, 813-587-2424. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.